Hey guys, it's Andrew here today, and I'm fishing Middlebrook once again. Now, it's honestly 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm the only one out here, so hopefully the fishing is better than normal. Today I'm also wearing some polarized sunglasses so I could more or less see through the water, and I can pinpoint where each and every trout is. The situation I'm having right now, the fish are all backed up near that tree, and I just simply cannot cast that far. I mean, I'm using really light bait. So, once again, the bait of choice is just a worm. Sweet, simple. I tried fishing a huge reservoir today, but I had no luck, so I went back to the streams. Alright guys, I'll see you back once I catch something. Alright guys, I just hooked up to my first fish of the day. Looks like a small bow. I'm just quickly get my net. Hooked him right in the bottom jaw. Makes me an easy, quick and release. I need to use 2 hands, guys. There it goes. And hooked himself. Beautiful brown trout. So I'm gonna see. Check it out. Alright, release him, and hopefully catch another one. Hey guys, I just hooked up to another brown trout. Now all of this was just caught on a worm. Nice little slow drift. Look at him. It's the only sucked brown trout this year. Man, it's better than nothing, so I can't complain. Ooh, hooked him right under the nose. Fish there. Second. Alright, time for a good use. And look, he swims away. That's 2 brown trout so far. Not bad day.